I'm Jenna Weaver with the Isaiah 117 House, and our whole goal is to change the way that foster care begins.
Here at Ferguson Builders, one of our core values is greater purpose. What that means is living for something greater than ourselves. The Isaiah 117 House provides a real home environment for kids as they're entering the foster care system. The day that they're removed from their home is really traumatizing for kids. And they're usually taken to the social worker's office, and they have to sit and listen to that social worker calling home after home, trying to find them a placement. And that can be really tough for kids. So what Isaiah 117 House does provides that home environment, and they also provide clothes, food, and a place to get clean and be safe and comfortable while that transition happens. As you can tell, the house is almost complete thanks to the collaboration of several other teams. Our part today is going to be trying to get the interior doors, the door casing, and the window trim all installed in less than 8 hours. Projects like the Isaiah 117 House give us an opportunity not only to bond together as a team, but also to live out our core value of greater purpose.